I wanna, siguro, I have so many projects, movies lined up. But you know, if it happens, it happens, and I will welcome it completely. It's gonna be a blessing. But right now, talaga, I'm still enjoying this part of life, working, and of course, I want to spend more time with my husband since we're always apart. So, lilipad ko na siya dito, and so we'll enjoy first and work and see how things go.
Yung, kasi paano yung paglipat mo, like, in tatlong homes ka, diba, sabi mo before. And pakwento naman yung dynamics ng ano na nangyayari ngayon sa, with your schedule.
Yes.
As a wife.
Yeah. To be honest, parang the hardest thing for me is to balance things. I'm trying to find the perfect balance. I love my job. I love working so much. Even my husband knows it. And sabi niya, hindi na niya mababago from me. I've been working since I was 15 years old. And sabi niya, it's not something that he wants to change. And I'm really grateful for that. That he's very supportive. Na we've been apart again for like 6 weeks. And it's not the typical setup for most people. But you know what? We're making it work. And we want to make it work. And I'm just very grateful that he's very understanding and he supports it, whatever it is, my goals. And I would like to do the same for him. So I try to find the perfect balance. It's not the easiest thing to do, but you know, I'm happy where I'm at. And I'm happy being home here in the Philippines. The truth is, yes, I have 3 different homes, but Philippines for me is still home. I may be doing projects abroad, but iba pa rin, syempre, di ba? Parang pag-uwi mo dito, iba yung pagkain, iba yung mga kasama mong tao, ang sarap ng Tagalog, yung alam yung mga ganong simpleng bagay. Kaya I'm just grateful that he's there for me, even if I'm busy, and we find time for each other. And even if I'm on set, we incorporated each other's time, lagi we're always on FaceTime, and so it helps a lot.
Saan siya naka-base? And ikaw, Philippines yung base mo?
Hindi ko alam yung base mo. I think I would like to say, since I'm here a lot, but I'm still here a lot. It's just that pag may work din ako abroad, nandun din ako. So where work takes me, that's where I'll be. But he's based in Los Angeles. For now, yes.
At tungkol ko lang yung tanong ni Janice na, na your plans of getting pregnant eventually, because sabi mo you still have work. Ano pa ba, parang do you have fears of being a mom? May worries ka ba that you can share with us?
Oh my God, of course. I mean, sa lahat siguro ng role na pwede kong i-play, probably being a mother would be the most difficult and the most challenging ever, because I think I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to the characters that I play. What more pa in real life? If there's one thing that I would like to do perfectly is to be a good mother, diba? And when that time comes, and if God blesses me with that opportunity, I just want to be a great mother. I don't know. I mean, like, ang dami kong mga examples na I even call my friends and ask them kung, how is it to be a mom, or even as simple as when I see my mom, how she treats me. And I've been raised by a single mother, so parang, you know, parang, I hope I get to be as good as her. I hope I get to be as good as, you know, my assistant and my RN. They're such great mothers. Tapos they get to take care of me as well, and they get to go to work. So yun na lang iniisip ko. Gusto kong makita yung mga, I look up to these people, and they set a good example. Kasi nga, the fact that they get to go to work at the same time and take care of me, na saling-pusa lang naman ako, tapos may mga kids sila. So it's nice to see that, na okay, ibig sabihin in the future, kaya ko din yan.